In this video, I am going to tell you how you can install Opfine in Minecraft launcher. So first of all, you need to open this website opfine.net, and here you need to click on this tab, downloads. So I am already in this download tab. So you can install the latest version. So this is the latest version 1.20.4. So you just need to click on download and you can download this from here. So it is very easy. So after downloading this, you will get this file in your system. After getting this, you need to press on Windows plus R, and here you need to type %app % and open this folder. After opening this folder, you will get .minecraft folder. Just tap on this, and herein you will get this versions. So just click on this, and now herein you need to paste this file. You can just copy it and paste it here, and after that you need to click on install and complete the installation of this file. So it is very useful. Just click on install and complete the process to install this file. So after installing this file, you need to open Minecraft in your system. So open Minecraft and log in with your ID and password. You need to log in with your login ID and password in Minecraft launcher. So this is my ID and password, and I am logged in. So just click on installations, and herein you can see Opfine is now showing. You can just tap on play and enjoy playing this. You can set accept the terms and condition and click on play, and just click on play, and you can enjoy playing Opfine in your system. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.